So hello, today we will be going to discuss how copy constructor functions, and copy constructor comes under the domain of classes and more under the concept of constructor, and copy constructors are used to assign the previously allocated values of one object to the other object, and the newly created object will have the same values which from which it has been copied from. So, for example, if you have a object name as T1 and you are assigning and which has already assigned values and you are creating a new object T2, then the object T2 will have the uh, values of T1 as you have used a copy constructor in creating the same object. So now you can see regarding the syntax of a copy constructor, you can see that class name, public, class name, const, class name, and old object. So starting with the first line, so here we have a class declaration in which we have a name of the class. After that, we are declaring the public a copy constructor, and which will have the same name as the class, and with the constant type, again using the class name for the object which is being called, which is the previously assigned object. So we are taking here this as const because we want that all of the values of the previously assigned object shall not be altered in the function's definition. So that's why we are taking it as const. And in the constructor itself, the definition of the constructor is written, and the assignments are done. So to the code, we have hash include iostream starting with the header file declaration, then using namespace std. Then we have a class name as test, which have two variables in it, which are private. After that, we have in public domain a function named as test, which is a parameterized constructor. So we have taken parameterized constructor to just take the value of the corresponding object or assign the value of the corresponding object. Code equals to C, price equals to P, and after that we will have a copy constructor test const and then test and t. So with that we have a code equals to t dot code, price equals to t dot price, that will assign the values of t to the newly created object. So that will work as a copy constructor. After that we have a function named as dispdisp, and it helps us to display the value of the object. In the int main we will be having the definition of the uh, main component of the program, and that is we will take an object or create an object with the help of the class test, which is t1, using the the parameterized constructor first. After that we will use copy constructor. So regarding the copy constructor, we have two set of assignments. So t2 circular brackets t1, and we will have a another object named as t3, which will be having the values of T2 stored in T3, and it will be T3 equals to T2. So test T3 equals to T2. After that we will be showing the values of the object. First we will show the value of the parameter of the object which was created initially by using the parameterized constructor. After we will be taking the values of T2, which is created by using the copy constructor. Now in the output window you can see that T1 object code 10, price 100. So that is the values of T1, and the corresponding value of T2 will be same because these are copied from the previous object. So that's how a copy constructor functions. And yeah, thanks.